Hi guys! Today I have a delicious creamy tomato soup recipe for you. This soup is really quick and easy to make, and I think it's perfect for any time of the year. I'm serving my soup today with some grilled cheese sandwiches. Let's get started with the recipe. For the creamy tomato soup you will need plum tomatoes, 1 onion, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, some vegetable broth, cream, dry thyme, oregano, salt and pepper, some olive oil and fresh basil to garnish. First thing you want to do is to peel the onion and chop it really finely. Then you also want to peel the garlic and just leave the garlic aside for now. Heat a medium pot over medium heat, cover the bottom with olive oil and the onion and allow the onion to cook until it starts to get some color. You don't want to cook it for long, just until it starts getting color. Then you want to add in the garlic, mix it in, add the tomatoes and rinse the cans of tomatoes with a little bit of vegetable broth. Add in that vegetable broth to the pot, season with dry thyme and oregano, mix it in, cover with a lid and allow to simmer on low to medium heat for 10 minutes. After the 5 minutes you want to add in the cream, mix in the cream, cover with a lid and continue cooking for another 5 minutes. After those 5 minutes you want to remove the soup from heat and puree it using an immersion blender or a mixer until you have a creamy, smooth soup. Then what you want to do is to check the consistency or the thickness of the soup. So if the soup is a little too thick to your liking, you can add a little bit more vegetable broth, mix it again. After that you want to take a taste test and season with salt and pepper if needed. And so, quick and easy, the soup is ready to be served. I wanted to serve some grilled cheese sandwiches with my tomato soup. For the sandwiches, I buttered one side of the toast with a little butter. So you want to place the bread slice, the buttered side down, and then place the cheese on top of the unbuttered side. I'm using cheddar cheese, but you can also use any other cheese. Just make sure that the cheese melts well. And then you want to place the other slice of bread on top of the cheese, the buttered side up. Now heat a pan over low heat, place the bread into the pan, cover with a lid and allow to cook until the sandwich is nice and crispy on both sides. Then you want to check whether the cheese has melted, and if the cheese hasn't melted yet, you want to cover it up, turn off the heat and allow the sandwich to sit in the pan until the cheese has melted. So this is how you want the cheese to look like. It should be nice and melted. The grilled cheese sandwich is super crunchy on the outside and has the divine melted cheese on the inside, and it's a perfect companion to the tomato soup. I'm serving my tomato soup with a dollop of yogurt and garnished with some fresh basil leaves. Enjoy! I hope you enjoyed my quick and easy to make creamy tomato soup recipe. If you're looking for some more inspiration for soup recipes, then I'm gonna link all my soup recipes here for you. If you enjoyed my recipe, don't forget that thumbs up for support, and also if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe right now and don't forget to tap the bell so you won't miss any of my new videos. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.